morning everyone, and thanks for spending your time with me. I was on holiday this weekend from Saturday to Monday. Today is Tuesday, and I was with my wife in Prague, the capital of the Czech Republic. We always go there, and it's just very nice. And a little story, so second day, so on the Sunday I was looking at the Hyundai dealership, the biggest one in Prague. I wanted to see if they have the Kona electric already, but I looked around, a big parking lot, and inside, outside, they were closed, but I could see every car, and there was no Kona. I only had 3 Ionics. Maybe in the Czech Republic it's not big of a deal, and that's fine. Went on, we did our stuff and driving around, blah 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 blah, looked at the city, and the same day, so on Sunday, we were driving. I had to stop by the light, and I looked to the left, and I was, wait a minute, I know that. And I saw maybe 50 centimeters, maybe less, because there were trees and there was a charging station, but I didn't know it was a charging station back then because it was so small and colory. But I only saw 50 centimeters of the grill of a car in white, and I know that. That's the Kona electric. Oh my god, what the hell? And then we had to find parking, and then I had to run there, and I wasn't sure, and then I saw it, and it was really the car. I mean, it was in the middle of the city, no license plate, nothing, nothing written on it for a dealership or anything. It was just standing there. I mean, it was nice, blocking a charging station spot. It was just there, and as you can see, I made a few pictures, and it really looks amazing. It was the premium version, all in white. It didn't have the sunroof, so this was the car that I want. I want it in white. I want it in the premium version. It looked good. And overtaking a truck here. And I was a bit sad because I emailed the dealership here right away. Look, they have this car, and he said, yeah, that's nice. We don't have it, and we don't even have a schedule of when it should arrive. So, oh my god, I don't know how long it will take, but I will leave you with the little video that I filmed at the car in Prague. Looks really amazing. Sorry for the shaky footage. I was just filming it with my hand. It was just cell phone, and oh my god. So thank you much for watching. Have a great day and take care. Bye. Oh, hello everyone. So I'm on holiday here in Prague, and then I was with my wife here in Prague for 2 days and blah blah blah, and was walking, and look what I found right here at a stupid charging station without a license plate. How the hell is that possible? And it's the premium version. It has everything. And the only reason why I saw that this is the weird grill. It's awesome. It's really awesome. I have no idea. A car without a license plate. How weird is that? Awesome.